Hey everyone, it's Angus here, and today I'm going to talk to you about Davidson Reviews. So some of you may have seen that it has popped up on my YouTube channel as a brand, and obviously I haven't introduced it, and only until now have I really had the time to properly introduce it and promote it. I've been so busy with things like finishing university, getting a new job, moving new flats, and I've wanted to do this video for ages, but I just haven't had the time, but now I have the time to do it. And also I've recently rebranded Davidson Reviews, so I think it's a good time to introduce it. So Davidson Reviews is a brand for producing unboxing videos and also reviews as well. I found on my channel that when I was producing videos, I was delivering to an audience that wouldn't really want those videos. I did a video in September 2017 called Where Have I Been? It was basically about me stopping doing YouTube videos because I felt that I wasn't making videos for the right audience. People had subscribed for unboxings, people had subscribed for reviews, people had subscribed for this and that, and that's why I kind of stopped. So I've kind of made this brand because I wanted to fix that issue, and I didn't want to stop doing YouTube videos. You may have seen videos from previous YouTubers who have made videos about the pressure of YouTube, and I definitely have felt it myself. I felt the pressure has been taken off by making Davidson Reviews, because if people want to go subscribe to those product reviews, then that's fine. And I'm only going to make the content that I want to on this channel. I've also made another channel called Davidson Videography, but I will talk about that in a separate video. So I rebranded Davidson Reviews a couple of weeks ago, and I'm really proud of it, and I'm also really looking forward to what I can do with the channel. I've already had a number of businesses contact me about making product reviews on the channel, and I hope to continue that. So the channel Davidson Reviews started off as a channel that I was originally using for uploading unboxings that I didn't want to upload on this channel, but now it is turned into a channel with over 10,000 views and also 25 plus videos. So I'm not going to say go subscribe to Davidson Reviews, I'm only going to say go check it out and subscribe to it if you want to, but that's completely up to you. Davidson Reviews does have a Facebook page and also a Instagram page, but I'm not going to promote that because you can go check that out for yourself. So this was literally just meant to be a really quick video explaining Davidson Reviews, and it was only really intended for people that were just a little bit curious about it and may want to know a bit more. So apart from that, thanks so much for watching.